Okay, so this is the 7th video from the LabTech PL session. So we just finished off with looking at how the Windows P shortcut is useful after somebody has used PowerPoint and a PowerPoint presentation, and how they can get an extended desktop back to a duplicated screen on a smart TV or projector. Now, let's say, for example, another thing which people find to be a bit of an issue, and which is something that is useful to know, is about how you can get sound working on a connected device. Okay, so while we have our TV connected, sometimes you may want to play a video to demonstrate a concept to students in class, and perhaps staff are having some issues with that, or perhaps you're demonstrating to some other members of staff or colleagues, and you'd like to work out how can I actually get sound to work on the device that I'm projected to, rather than just relying on the speakers which are on a laptop, which don't really carry over a large distance. So what you can do is you can go down to the bottom right hand of the screen where the little sound icon is there, and right click on it. Now when you right click on it, it brings up a small menu here, and the small menu has one particular thing that we're interested in, which is called playback devices. We want to click on that. Now when we click on that, it brings up a sound menu. Okay, and there are a number of different tabs here, but the only thing that we're really interested in are the two things which are here. Now what you'll notice is that I've got connected my speakers, which are on my laptop here, and then you'll see it says Sony TV XV. Now that's the TV that I've got mine connected to. So if I just highlight that and I then click on Set Default, it changes so that the default sound will be coming through the Sony speakers. Okay, so rather than my laptop speakers. And that's all you really need to do to make sure that the sound comes through the connected device that you want. Now obviously if you're that will only work with something which has an HDMI cable. Okay, so if you've got a projector, for instance, the projector which connects via a VGA cable, so the ones with multiple pins on them, blue, generally a blue end to the cable, won't have an option here because it doesn't have the ability to play sound. Okay, so if that's the case, you may need to have sound connected in a different fashion. Okay, so I'm just going to set that back to my laptop speakers and click OK. All right, so that's about the end of PowerPoint and also connecting devices. So now we'll move on to the next topic.